It's so gold, you guys, and I'm having my black tea and I'm thinking about how fast this year ended, and I think we all can agree to that part. What do you guys think? Guys, so I am back with bucket full of empties and this is the last empties for this year. So ये 3 महीने से मैं इकट्ठा कर रही हूँ 2 या 3 महीने से, but it's crazy so much that it is overflowing. So yeah, it's so much stuff that it is overflowing. Can't believe this is the, I can't believe that this is the last year empty. Like we are like so close to New Year. It's crazy. So without further ado, let's just get started. I'm not going in any particular order, but yeah, we are going to talk about them. And yeah, so the first is this elephant in the room. Like god, this is such a big container. और जब मैंने ये लिया था ना, मुझे लग रहा था कि ये काफ़ी दिन चलेगा और ये चला भी, एंड माई होल फैमिली यूज़ इट. तो ये मत सोचना कि मैं इतना सारा शैम्पू लोज लगा रही हूँ, ऑल्दो आई हैव लॉन्ग हेयर्स. So this is good. This is going to last a family of 4 for like 4 months or 5 months. So this was a good purchase. I will definitely buy the 1 kilo wala dabba only. Like this was 1 liter and I think this is good for everyone. So this hair fall control, actually मुझे बहुत hair fall होता है तो इससे थोड़ा बहुत तो control होता है. I'm using serums and also, but I think because I'm always iron deficient, ये उसकी वजह से हो सकता है. Not this, like any shampoo can fix that, I don't know. So we'll see if my hair fall will reduce in next 3 months because I'm taking obviously medicines. But I want to tell you guys honestly कि cosmetic can't fix everything. You have to take care of your body. So that was a big one. Now I have conditioners. I have these two Nykaa conditioners. So literal dust is flying. Dust, like कुछ पे dust collect हो गई है. It's 3 months worth of empties. Okay, so these two are like now my holy grail. I'm going to repurchase especially this one again and again. But मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. I love the pastel packaging, that's why I bought this. बस जब मैंने यूज़ किया मुझे पता पड़ा बहुत अच्छा है ये. On discount you will get it for 200 rupees. तो मुझे ये नहीं कहना कि ये अल्ट्रा अफोर्डेबल है या वो सब. It is affordable but quantity भी उस हिसाब से है. It's 200 level. You can decide if it's affordable or not. मैं इसे regardless of the price, जैसे 50% दिखता है नायका पे, मैं इसे purchase कर लेती हूँ. I have a backup of this one I think. So ये तो staple है मेरे collection में and I will keep on repurchasing this. I love it. So then I have this body wash and I have this body wash and wait, I have this. Let me talk about this first. Like I have used up so many of these pouches and this is the most affordable way. इससे सस्ता body wash कुछ नहीं है and from Amazon, like इससे सस्ता body wash कोई भी नहीं है. Like from Amazon you can get it for 65 rupees or something. You have to buy multiple, like 2 लेने पड़ते हैं. Amazon में ऐसी single चीज़ें नहीं मिलती हैं इतनी सस्ती. Okay, then I have this PR one. So this was sent out by Dabur and this is Oud one. This has Himalayan rose and Oud. Now hear me out. It has a beautiful fragrance but वो subjective हो सकती है. If you like rosy fragrance you will like it. Oud इतना उसमें prominent नहीं है, rose बहुत prominent है and it's typical Dabur gulabri वाली fragrance. So if you are a fan of that you can like it, but my problem with this natural things like 100% so free and all, so it does not lather that much. It's hydrating. Yeah, it's hydrating, good for winters. It was very sasta. Like I saw it on Amazon for very cheap. It says it's 300 here but मैंने शायद 100 रुपए का देखा था Amazon पे. So maybe during the great Indian festive sale or what. But this is good for dry skin people, but it's so free, so you can decide if you want it. I will not repurchase this one. I want lather. Like, I have dry skin, I know, but still I want lather. So it does not lather that much. Okay, so that's that. So I have this one is by Yardley. First of all, the packaging is so aesthetic. Product was also good. So this is their morning dew shower gel. It has lily of valley and firangi pani. I don't know. This was good and I will repurchase it. Bottle is looks dirty now, so मैं इसमें अपना जो विवेल वाला है इसमें भर रही थी, but now I think it's time to discard this because the bottle is not looking cute now. I will repurchase this one. And ये Amazon से ना प्रॉब्लम रहती है, ये पूरा लीक होता हुआ आया था तो थोड़ा कम ही था जब मैंने यूज करना स्टार्ट किया था. So yeah, now they have make the refund process difficult also. Like, अब कुछ भी कंप्लेन करो बोलते हैं मैडम 3 दिन बाद कॉल करो. अब 3 दिन बाद यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट कि यू हैव लॉस्ट दिस कंप्लेन, यू हैव टू अगेन कंप्लेन. एंड आई रियली विश कि वो अपनी पैकेजिंग सुधार लें. लाइक, दिस इज अ वेरी बिग ड्रॉबैक ऑफ Amazon. Only Amazon. Purple.com, Nykaa.com give awesome packaging. That's one point. Half of the product was wasted. Okay. So now we are talking about winter है. Winter हो नहीं हो, मेरी skin dry है तो मुझे body lotions लगते ही हैं. So one thing I want to say about this one, first of all, the packaging is so aesthetic. Like, it's my kind of, माई फेवरेट कलर. मैं हमेशा इस कलर के टॉप पहनती हूँ तो मेरी मम्मी कहती है तुम हर वीडियो में सेम दिखती हो, इसलिए आज मैंने येलो पहना है. सो या आई डिड अ पिंक आई लुक ऑल्सो. आई होप आई एम लुकिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? डू यू guys even care about that? Okay, so my point here is that this is my favorite color and this product also was very good. This has Shea Protect barrier repair body lotion, so it has a very long wearing hydration, plus the price point is too good. Like, it says 425 rupees, but Amazon पे ये 180 rupees 170 rupees का भी देखा है मैंने. So it's very affordable. That's the best thing about this one. It's very affordable, aesthetic packaging, plus the hydration was also good. So I will highly recommend you this one. Amazing. Next is a staple, like मेरे हाउस होल्ड में ये आते ही रहते हैं वैसलीन के, बट आई वॉन्ट बाय दिस by myself. I will buy the Joy one. So मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. The reason is aesthetic also, plus this formula is very lightweight, so if you have oily skin you will like it. So मेरी जो dry skin है, so it's very lightweight, very नॉर्मल सा बॉडी लोशन एंड इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. उस पर उतनी सेल भी नहीं रहती है. सो 475 रुपीज़ यू वॉन्ट टू गेट इट और नॉट, यू कैन डिसाइड. अगर 50-60% ऑफ है तो यू कैन गो फॉर इट if you have normal to oily skin. So that's my take on this one, not my favorite. Okay, so I have this PR one. So this was sent out by Ozone. So Ozone का मैंने काफ़ी videos किए थे. So this one, let me tell you, it smells good, but the fragrance can be subjective. ऐसी fragrance है ये, मुझे लगता है हर किसी को पसंद नहीं आएगी. So first point is that, okay, the part is the quantity is 190 ml and it's 415 rupees. So you can decide you want, like, I will not repurchase it because it's not cheap products. Quantity कम है इसकी. The main point is that. So if you are someone जिसे ज़्यादा body lotion नहीं लगता, you can go for it and it has good amount of hydration, but still the fragrance was not my favorite. And that's जब भी बॉडी लोशन लगाते हो सबसे पहले फ्रेग्रेंस अफेक्ट करती है. सो इफ़ यू आर नॉट दैट मच इन टू दिस फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड आई एम बैड एट डिस्क्राइबिंग फ्रेग्रेंस ऑल्सो, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिस्क्राइब. यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा भी नहीं है ना. सो बट आई डोंट लाइक द फ्रेग्रेंस, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. बट हाइड्रेशन अच्छा था इसका, बट क्वांटिटी कम है तो मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. शुड आई रिकमेंड दिस और नॉट? बट या दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ PR. मैं कभी PR मना नहीं करती बिकॉज इसकी वजह से मुझे भी मार्केट में 10 तरह के प्रोडक्ट पता पड़ते हैं. सो ये एक बात है. Some products I will tell you, you can decide for yourself. I will not tell you. Okay, now two of the body butters that I really like, I will recommend you. First of all, the Sunny Herbals brand. My god, this is so underrated. I mean, you can just blindly go and buy it, but let me just talk about it. This is such a good moisturizer body cream. You know, it's a all-purpose cream, so I used it as a body butter. It was good amount of hydration, almost no fragrance. So किसी को fragrance का issue होता है तो you can go for it. Plus जो market में बाकी body butter है वो बहुत महंगे हैं, and you will get good amount of discount on this. And I will, you know, say कि ऐसी brands को support करो यार. This I have not seen many people talk about them, and they are good. Like they make such a good products. Like मुझे इसके सारे products इतने useful लगे. One of the PR that got my attention was Sunny Herbal, like, which was very surprising, but this brand has my eyes and I will definitely repurchase this in future because मुझे इतना कुछ आता रहता है ना, तो at this point I am completely on a no buy now, which we will talk about it next. After this video I will film that video, so stay tuned for that. But this one was like aloe vera canadola all purpose cream. I will highly recommend you to check out their products. Okay, when I got this, I was not expecting you know कि ऐसा कोई product होगा जिससे मैं बस देखूंगी और use नहीं करूंगी. And I was like refraining myself, like I was not, मैं इसको सजा के रखना चाह रही थी because it's lavender. Like इतनी प्यारी packaging क्यों बनाते हैं कि product use करने का ही मन नहीं करे. Packaging in the sense, the color of प्रोडक्ट वॉज लैवेंडर. अब तो इसमें कुछ नहीं है, तो वो शॉट आ जाएगा. मैंने अभी तक एडिट नहीं किया और ये यूज़ अप कर लिया, तो शायद मैं यहाँ साइड में ही चला दूँ वो शॉट. इट्स अ गुड रिमाइंडर. आई शुड कीप ऑन editing rather than wasting my time. Okay, so this one is by Calista, the berry blush deep skin moisturizer body yogurt. One of the best thing I got from Smitten. Like Smitten से जब भी मुझे कुछ आता है ना, मुझे अलग ही लेवल की एक्साइटमेंट होती है. This one is 699 rupees for what 200 grams. So should I recommend you? I don't know. You can try from Smitten अगर मिल रहा हो अब. So like I want it for the color of the product, but should I spend this much? I don't think so. But it was so cute and aesthetic that you will. Some products are like ऐसे रख लो vanity में और रोज देखो उसे, वो it's so pretty. Like I will try to insert that shot here. Okay, I think I have covered the moisturizer. Let me check. Okay, so I have this empty. This is a hand cream by Good Vibes. Now Good Vibes से काफ़ी दिनों से मैंने shopping नहीं की because you know I don't get the chance to buy anything now. So this one is their chocolate fragrance hand cream and it's delicious. Although it was lightweight, like मेरी expectation होती है कि वो बहुत you know thick हो because I want extra hydration. Like मैं हर 2 मिनट हाथ धोती हूँ. It's not an exaggeration. Like maybe I am exaggerating, maybe in every half an hour or what. Like I hope you are getting my point. So winters में तो hand cream मेरे बहुत काम आते हैं, but this one was lightweight, so I used it as body lotion only. And I will not buy this one also. You know इतनी अच्छी fragrance होने के बाद भी I will not buy it. I will rather smell chocolate itself rather than smelling this. I hope I am making any sense. Like fragrance बहुत अच्छी थी, but product is not that hydrating. That's the point here. Okay, I think I have covered the body care section. I hope I have. You see, I thought let's just cover the body product first and then we will talk about these. So I have these face washes, were amazing, and that's why you can see 3 empties. Trust me, इन्हें ज़्यादा time हुआ होगा. Like I hope I have not used 3 face washes in 3 months. I really hope. I don't know. So it's very strange. I have more face washes. So I don't use them alone. I use with my family. So मेरी family भी यही face सब products use करती mostly. So I have this by Lakme, of course, and this is their Dew Drama. Now the Dew Drama one, they were too good. Like अभी भी मेरे washroom में एक रखा है ये, and these were sent out by Lakme. And that time I was like इतने सारे face washes, like there were many, like they were 10 or 8, I don't remember, but there were many. So these are very good, especially the Dew Drama one. It has vitamin E, B3, F, जो भी हो, इससे face cleanse भी होता है और dry भी नहीं होता है. So that's why I love them so much. They were my favorite, but not this one. This has 2% AHA, BHA, so not my favorite. It's not that इससे उतना cleansing effect नहीं आता है. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have extremely dry skin, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि एकदम moisture strip out हो जाए face से, you can go for this one. It's very mild, but this one overall it just deeply cleanses your face and does not dry out. So perfection. And these one, like these one are 250 rupees, so you can decide. Like अच्छी quantity है, so अच्छी quantity है, they are like this big. Then I have this Himalaya one. This is a staple in my household. I don't like this, especially this one, this Kesar one. I don't think so I have used this that much, but इसकी fragrance भी मुझे नहीं पसंद और इतना ज़्यादा cleanse नहीं लगता है इससे face. What I look in face washes is like it should deep cleanse my face. That's why I love charcoal one ज़्यादा. What's my point here is that if you are looking for like a mild face wash, you might like this. Like you may like this. I can't comment on that. Like सबकी preference अलग होती है, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया. So that's the point here. Okay, then I have this by Nykaa. So this is their papaya and amla anti-pigmentation face wash. I loved it. Like especially I've noticed कि papaya अगर है ना face wash में, मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है वो. So this was a love, and I think everybody loved it. If I remember, this was so good. So this deeply cleanse your face and does not dry out it, like does not dry out your face also. So papaya face washes, like there something about them, like they are too good. So I will recommend you this one. It was also a big component, so good. It, how much this retails for 139 rupees. Okay, so Lakme वाले महंगे हैं ये. I don't know if the quantity is different, but that फिर इस पे 50% off भी हो जाता है. Like Nykaa की खुद के products they sell for very cheap, so you can get with this. This one is good. Then I have a lot of toner. Let's just talk about them. So this one, first of all, this one is by Alps Goodness. It's been a while when I Purple के products और try नहीं किए. So it has, by the way, this Alps Goodness one, it has aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, squalene, hydrating toner. Amazing. It was good. I used it as a body, spray, and I was like, कौन ऐसे मतलब toners use करता होगा? Literally, Caffeine has body sprays now, like literal hydrating sprays for your body. So this is a thing now, and I don't know like ऐसा कुछ भी था, but I was so close in this Pink Friday sale of buying them. I was so close. Then I have to tell myself I already use my normal toner as that purpose only. So let's just talk about it. This is very hydrating toner. It's very good. If you have dry skin, you will love it. Will I repurchase it? Maybe, because ये सिर्फ 100 रुपए का था जब मैंने लिया था. So it's been a while now, so yeah, it was a good buy during that big sale jo Purple pe chalti hai. So that time it was 100 rupees. Amazing toner for 100 rupees, I will say. Then I have this NY Bake, lot of Purple products है. काफ़ी दिनों बाद like मैं तो कभी haul ही नहीं कर रही Purple के, so I was surprised to see so many Purple products here. So this is NY Bake Dew Face Mist with hyaluronic acid. I used to use it in skin prep, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया, फिर I noticed it is expired, so I used it on my body. So that's how I ended up using it. ये आधा बचा था शायद तब तक. It's a very fine mist. You can use it like if you feel like कि मेकअप थोड़ा ड्राई है, केकी है, तो भी आई यूज टू स्प्रिट इट ऑन माई फेस. डज नॉट सेपरेट योर मेकअप, सो अच्छा काफ़ी ये हाइड्रेट कर देता है फेस को. आई यूज टू यूज इट एज अ स्किन प्रेप ऑल्सो, एंड कभी मुझे मेकअप पैची लगा तो भी मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. सो विल आई रीपर्चेज इट? आई डोंट नो, मे बी, can't say, but it's a good product. This toner, this is by Love Earth, and this was Rajnigandha toner with witch hazel extract. Pore tightening, reduce wrinkle. Now hear me out, if you have acne prone skin, this has fragrance, be aware of it. So it can break you out. If you have acne, stay away from fragrance, especially यहाँ की skin पे, you can break out. So I used to use it on body. This was a PR, and this one came with a face wash जिसे मुझे promote नहीं करना था. It was a gift by the brand. That face wash I love because it's a charcoal face wash. My mom really like it. I love it. और वो महीनों से चल रहा है. It's in my second bathroom. This one is not my favorite because it has fragrance. Like इसमें जो भी pore tightening या जो भी effect को मैंने नहीं देखी है, I used it. Okay, so the last few are these. Like जल्दी जल्दी बोलूँगी मैं इनके बारे में. These are minis. This one Momsco green tea face toner, used it on my body and I don't have much thought about it. ये भी शायद expire हो गए थे ये सब. So I have these one. This is by Jiva GVQ. This brand I came to know from Smitten. And then I have this Olly Rose Gentle Exfoliating Toner. This has AHA 15. अब इसका एक और bottle है वो मैंने use किया है, that is good, so you can buy it. Like this one is good, but rest I will not recommend you that much. और मैंने इनको as a body spray use किया था, so not much thoughts. And when you have so little amount, है ना, ज़्यादा कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकते उसके बारे में. Okay, I forgot to talk about this face wash. It has 1% salicylic acid gel daily face wash. This is by Derma Co. So it has salicylic acid, witch hazel, willow bark, and I just love it. This was good. I might repurchase it, I don't know, but this I will highly recommend. You should try it if you have acne prone skin. It is very effective, but I will say you, if you want that extra cleanse skin, you can use another face wash, but you should use this. Salicylic acid is one ingredient which is very effective for acne. If you have acne prone skin, you will really like this. This one has 1% salicylic acid. I will highly recommend you this one. It was a good one. Okay, then I have some hair empties again. So this one, Mystic Living plant-based nutrition. So this brand I came to know by my PR agency. They were like, should we send you this? And I was like, okay, you can send me. So this is Mystic Living. First of all, I'm hearing this brand name and I have to tell you guys, I love this so much. And again they were asking, do you want, so I like took 2 more, so मैंने 2 और ले लिए. This is rosemary water. So this is good. You guys can see 1-2 साल पुराने वीडियो मेरे देखो, उसमें मेरे बालों की बैंड बजी हुई है. दे आर ड्राई, डिहाइड्रेटेड एंड फ्रिजी, लाइक कहाँ जा रहे हैं. एंड नाउ they are so tamed down because of the products and also of the serums and all. Rosemary is one ingredient you should incorporate in your hair care routine, and this one is so effective. I have rosemary leaves but उसकी नौबत ही नहीं आ रही because ये था, फिर ये ख़त्म हुआ तो उन्होंने मुझे दूसरा भेज दिया. So I really loved it. Has 100 ml of product, and how I use them is you can use them daily, but मैं क्या करती हूँ, जिस दिन हेयर वॉश करती हूँ वो alternate days होता है. Then I spritz this on roots. Make sure to use products on your root, like भांग निकाल लो बीच बीच में थोड़ी थोड़ी सी and you can use it, but make sure it goes into your scalp, then it will be effective. And hair growth होती है, डेफिनेटली होती है. मेरे हेयर कभी इतने लंबे नहीं हुए जितने अब हो गए हैं कि वो फ्रेम में नहीं आते ना. आई थिंक दे डोंट कम. एंड दीज आर माई कर्ली हेयर्स, एंड अगर मैं स्ट्रेट करूँ तो वो कमर तक आ जाएंगे, इतने लंबे मेरे बाल हो गए हैं. ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर और द ब्रांड्स जो मुझे भेजती. या देन वी हैव अनदर हेयर ग्रोथ प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज बाय HK Vitals. Now this serum was also again and again sent out by this brand, and wow, so this has 3% retinol, 2% agani, 2% carcinotin. I am not able to pronounce that, but this really helps in hair growth. Like after hair wash I just apply them on my roots, and मेरे बाल इतने फ्रिज फ्री कभी नहीं हुए. मतलब मैं जो वो पुराने वीडियोस देखती हूँ और अब देखती हूँ, मुझे डिफरेंस समझ में आता है. सो you will really love it. Like try it for let's say 3 months and let me know if it has good results on you or not. Like बहुत difference. Like मेरे hair fall अभी भी होते हैं, but I have to keep my हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल अ डिसेंट लेवल. लाइक बहुत बुरी हालत है उसकी, सो वो भी एक रीज़न होता है. बट द हेयर क्वालिटी ऑफ माई हेयर्स इज इम्प्रूविंग सो मच बिकॉज ऑफ दीज. आई विल रिकमेंड यू दिस. Okay, now I have a deo. So this is like roll-on deo by Nivea. ये छोटू साथ है from Smitten. So don't think like मेरा एक कोई पुराना वीडियो अबाउट स्मिटन दैट बॉडी बटर, आई हैव सीन पीपल कमेंटिंग बट शी इज यूजिंग द स्मॉल वन, एंड सम पीपल आर आस्किंग स्मॉल वन इज फ्रॉम वेयर. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू स्मॉल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर फ्रॉम स्मिटन. सो इसलिए लंबे वीडियो देखा करो, उसमें मैं क्या बताऊँ 30 सेकेंड में. सो दिस वन इज रियली गुड, और काफ़ी दिन चला था ये स्मॉल वन. इट्स अ स्मॉल वन बट इट लास्टेड a good amount of time. Will I buy it? No, because I have many other roll-on deodorant, but yeah, this one was good, and it does smooth your underarms a lot. Like good even tone underarms. Yes, I agree with the claims. Smooth skin, yes, I agree. So I have seen visible difference from them. That's why मैंने recently ईवा के परचेज किए हैं 3. So I have seen good results with them. So now I have these fragrances, and oh my god, this one was from Meesho, and oh I'm sad. Like मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा है क्योंकि I will definitely throw these now, right? So मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा है इनको देख के, because look at them, they're so cute, they're so adorable, and I have to throw them now because these are empty. So ये 100 रुपए के परफ्यूम है मीशो से, एंड मीशो लाइक कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स तो मुझे ना सच में इतने अमेजिंग लगते हैं मीशो के. सो दिस वन ये 100 रुपए वाले परफ्यूम्स हैं. These are good. Like look at the packaging, it's a good gifting option you can give to anybody. Like these are बस let me tell you, this has like इनके नाम भी ऐसे ना लोकल नाम मैंने कभी नहीं सुने. फोमलेस ये नाम है ब्रांड का. सो मैंने पैकेजिंग भी वजह से लिए थे. These are good. सो अच्छे 3-4 घंटे के लिए ये फ्रेग्रेंस रहेगी। इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छी थी इस बॉटल की, एंड आई एम बैड एट डिस्क्राइबिंग फ्रेग्रेंस, तो मैं ज़्यादा डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पाऊंगी। दिस वन हैज़ अ स्वीट सी फ्रेग्रेंस और दिस वन हैज़ पाउडरी, सो आई वॉज नॉट लाइकिंग दिस वन, बट मैंने यूज़ अप कर ली क्योंकि मैं 3-4 फ्रेग्रेंस एक साथ यूज़ करती हूँ। सो मिशन अकम्प्लिश ऑफ यूजिंग दीज 40 ml परफ्यूम्स फ्रॉम मीशो। अगर मेरे कलेक्शन में बाकी सबका नंबर आ गया, वो सब मैंने यूज कर ली, सो आई माइट बाय दिस वन अगेन, आई डोंट नो, बट आई लव द पैकेजिंग स्टिल, लाइक आई एम लाइक मुझे ये फेंकने पड़ेंगे अब। सो क्यूट, लाइक लुक हाउ अडोरेबल दे आर, लाइक। सो द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस, लाइक ये मैंने अमेजोन से 5 लिए थे और धीरे धीरे करके ये सारे खत्म हो गए। एट दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक दिस इज सो मच फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड या इट इज। सो ये फ्रेग्रेंस 2-3 घंटे लास्ट करती है इनकी। दिस इज बाय कैलन। सो इनकी बहुत सारी फ्रेग्रेंस मैंने खरीदी थी, 5 खरीदी थी। तो दिस हैज 200 ml ऑफ body mist. It will take a good amount of time to use up these, but you can do one thing, you can give to your family members on, because बहुत सस्ती है, 100 रुपये की एक बॉटल पड़ती है, because for 500 you are getting 5, do the math. So it's good gifting option also, and I will not buy it again because I have to use 100 more fragrance that I have. Okay, then I have this is I'm discarding, this is face mask, स्किन प्यूरिफाइंग चारकोल फेस मास्क। मैंने बहुत यूज किया है, बट नाउ इट्स गॉन बैड, लाइक इट्स गॉन, एंड दैट्स वॉज माई फॉल्ट। ये खुला पड़ा था, सो इट्स गोइंग स्ट्रेट इन टू द बिन, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली रीपर्चेस ये वाला। charcoal products are very good. I love charcoal products. So this face mask was of charcoal. I loved it and I will repurchase it definitely. Okay, so I have one vitamin C face serum. I have one vitamin C face serum. This is by Wow. This is very lightweight. It was a PR, I guess. So it has 20% vitamin C, and how I have used it is, again, I used to apply toner, then this serum, and then body lotion. Why? Because when you are at my level, you will get PR packages every day, and कुछ तो तरीके से यूज़ करना है, but it is effective. It vacation के बाद मुझे टैन हो गया था, वो रिमूव हो गया था इससे। सो आजकल तो हर बॉडी लोशन में विटामिन सी आ रहा है, नहीं तो यू कैन यूज योर सीरम लाइक दैट। So amazing lightweight vitamin C serum that is effective. It's very effective. So then I have another serum. Now this again, I was so close on Nykaa Pink Friday sale to buy it again, and I have to tell myself, Anshu, you have a drawer, dedicated drawer for serums. Do you need to buy another serum? And I don't need it. I really don't need it. So even though it was so effective and इससे फेस में विजिबल रिजल्ट्स दिखते थे, एक तो लगाते ही जो ग्लो आता था वो तो था ही, नेक्स्ट डे आई कैन सी माई वाइट हेड्स लाइक really disappeared. So स्किन को बहुत स्मूथ कर देता है. One of the best Earth Rhythm product is this one. This is so good, like so effective. Earth Rhythm nailed it with this serum. Like बहुत से niacinamide serum मैंने देखे हैं जो अफेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, but this one is good. Will I recommend you? Yes. Will I repurchase myself? Not until I am done with the serum drawer. So मुझे next year तो लगता नहीं ऐसा कुछ होने वाला. So this one is good. I will highly recommend you. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Can't believe this might be the last video of this year. So वो basket छोटी पड़ रही थी, so I have literally this big basket. So it was crazy the amount of products I was able to finish up. और क्योंकि ये last time था which I can use, like I can use as much as product and hope कि थोड़ा सा collection कम हो जाए. So that's why I think there were many empties because the year is ended now. So yeah, crazy amount of stuff that I was able to use in the last quarter of this year. So I hope you like this video and this video is helpful, because I think किसी भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर का, किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर का हॉल वीडियो देखने से यूज़फुल है उसके एमटीज देखो, जाके देखो क्या एक्चुअली ये यूज़ करता है, कैसे उन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़। Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Can't believe this might be the last video of this year. Basket छोटी पड़ रही थी, so I have literally this big basket. So it was crazy the amount of products I was able to finish up. और क्योंकि ये last time था which I can use, like I can use as much as product and hope कि थोड़ा सा collection कम हो जाए. So that's why I think there were many empties because the year is ended now. So yeah, crazy amount of stuff that I was able to use in the last quarter of this year. So I hope you like this video and this video is helpful because I think किसी भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर का, किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर का हॉल वीडियो देखने से यूज़फुल है उसके एमटीज देखो, जाके देखो क्या एक्चुअली ये यूज़ करता है, कैसे उन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करता है. So you will get so much better reviews of a product if you watch the empties video. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.